Good afternoon, everybody. My name is Kiran Joshi. I'm a practicing energy manager, certified by Bureau of Energy Efficiency. And I'm going to introduce a technology which is simple, smart, and useful. My company, Autoclean Global Business Limited, is in filtration, water filtration. We are very strong in industry. We are planning to come into the urban sector as well as the water sector, which is generally handled by public health engineers. Jabalpur is very lucky. Jabalpur has ample water. In Maharashtra, it is not so. In many parts of India, this is not so. So our esteemed Prime Minister, Dr. Mr. Modi, has told us to save every drop of water. We are here to let you know as to how water can be conserved using our smart VAG technology. Filtration is a very simple subject, it's a very small subject. How can one be smart in that? In filtration, water plus dirt comes into one side of the filter and clean water comes out on the other side of the filter. Where is the smartness here? We are here to tell you a filter which can work automatically without energy, using principles of physics, using principles of nature like siphon. It can be a smart filter. Where this can be used, we shall discuss in this. And how this technology is there, we can see this. What we would cover in this is following water management is how much wastewater can be conserved from the existing water treatment plant Jabalpur Nigam is using. What is VAG technology? How does it compare with your conventional technology? How much conservation of power, water and manpower is possible with this? And what are the benefits which a Nigam can have with this technology? If you look at, there are two plants, one is of 55 million liters of day, another is of 42 million liters of day, operating currently, which we have studied. This plant has got 7 processes, water comes from Narmada, pumped through a jackwell to clarify, then a filtration, conventional filters of rapid sand gravity filters are used. From there it goes to pump house, and from there it is pumped to the overhead tanks in Jabalpur city. And Nigam has to provide a full team of people, maybe around 20 people to handle this. Now this plant, when it gives out filtered water, potable water to the citizens, create waste. How much waste it creates? It creates about 4% of what water it draws. Now if you change to this technology from the old rapid sand gravitation filtration technology to VAG filtration technology, this 4% drops to 1%. And the manpower is absolutely zero. Only one operator will have to go there just to see that. So there will be state by 3% more potable water to Jabalpur citizens. Today you have water, but tomorrow that may not be the case. The picture on your right hand side is a Valdes-Advanced gravity filter. The picture on the left hand side is a rapid sand gravity filtration plant. You can see the complex nature of your existing plant in comparison to the Valdes-Advanced gravity filter. This is how the filter would look like. Now let us look at, when I am saying it is simple, how it works. If you see the black dots, which are actually solids and suspension in the water, they are going into the sand bed, and the filtered water is coming at the bottom, and then from the next pipe it is rising, and you are getting the outlet filter water outlet. So as the filter chokes, the level in the water pipe is going up. Once in about 24 hours, this filter chokes like rapid sign gravity filter, and this is how it will get backwashed. No person comes over here, nothing happens. Only there is a siphon system here, which is a phenomenon of nature, and it is backwashing. What it actually does, and it again fills up for the next cycle. Now those who are engineers would definitely know what rapid sign gravity filtration is. There the operator has to take 24 hours round all throughout, check all the beds which are clogged, use his judgment. Then there is no measurement of head loss. Here you have a difference of pressure across the filter, which is working on the principles of physics, laws of physics. So nothing is left to a human error. Everything is automatic yet simple. No energy consumption, no manpower requirement, and water generation, wastewater generation is reduced by about 65 to 70%. This technology we have secured from a German company about 15-20 years back. This technology is used in industry everywhere. What VAG stands for valveless auto wash gravity filter. It does not have any functional valve for its operation. It works on gravity for filtration, siphon for backwash, and you have seen how simple it is to operate. And this is a technology which is acknowledged in CPHEO manual, that is a manual for designing of all filtration plant. This is the comparison of this filter versus your existing technology. All those who want this comparison, this is available. We are giving sufficient copies to Nigam for people to read it. Since there is a shortage of time, I am going through it quickly. Basically, you see 2.91 MLD of water is saved every day. 291,000 liters of 29 lakh liters of water is saved every day. Now, this is a technical siphon is something like you empty out a petrol from your pipe, put a pipe there, and the water comes out. Same technology is engineered here. These are the calculations of power it can save. About 44 lakhs of rupees can be saved per annum, because rapid sign gravity filtration plants require pumps, blowers to operate. So at the rate of 6 per kilowatt, 44 lakhs of rupees can be saved with this kind of filters. The total saving, which suppose somebody switched to 97 ml plant, will be to the tune of about cost of water use, cost of labor use. The total saving will go to 125 lakhs. We are not saying you immediately shift to this. It is not possible. You are using the plant for 35 years, but definitely when you are planning for future, you can evaluate this technology as a very strong option. But what can be done now? The water which is going from rapid sign gravity filtration is currently going to Narmada river, non-Narmada river, and this water is dumping along with the this backwash waste water is about 380 kgs of kachra is every day we are dumping into Narmada river. That is something that we should stop. This is the scheme which we have given to Nigam. It's a project's thinking stage. And here we have supplied some few equipments, and this water can be still conserved. Now this conservation of water is essential, because we have no right to spoil Ma Narmada. Today we have water, environment is clean. Yesterday when I landed here, the weather was so pleasant that I felt like I came to a hill station. But let it be like this. I mean, you don't change with that. Today the river Ganga is calling for Ganga Mission Plan. We don't want to have another plan like that. These are a few things which are, I was told that time is very short, so I am not going into details of it. It's a carbon neutral product. We are talking about sustainability, and it's an essential thing. There is zero carbon footprint in this, because gravity is used for filtration and siphon is used for backwash. Sewage treatment, there are trained in the municipal councils nowadays. The water which is available from sewage is given free of cost for gardening or car cleaning to the housing societies. Now this filters can be used at the tertiary treatment of that. Of course, a water analysis is required. From Nala water also can be taken to this kind of filters. Testing is essential for this. Sustainable aspects, gravity is a gift of God. Use this for technology. Concepts like siphon are engineered. Doesn't require any manpower. It's a carbon neutral. It can be zero discharge with little bit of downstream equipments also. No pumps, no blowers, no valves to operate. Still, it could be hooked up with the smart technology devices that can come. This is used everywhere in the world. United States of America, South Africa, United Kingdom, Australia, Germany, Japan, and these are the some jobs which we have done. It is there in the industry, it's used. So time has come for us to think what we are doing, should we do it? We used to send telegrams. Do we do that? No. Time has come to think and look for new technology, and public health engineering is going to support. It's not that something which is unproven that is coming to Jabalpur. Thank you.